Hey, I'm Dr. Joffrey. We are continuing our series on men's health. We will be discussing the main causes of erectile dysfunction. And as you know, erectile dysfunction, in the most basic sense, it's a male's inability to achieve and or maintain an erection. The main causes, well, there are 6 main causes. Cardiovascular disease, mainly hypertension, obesity, diabetes, hormonal imbalance, environmental causes, and smoking. Those are the main causes. But at the end of the day, once we take hormonal off of the table, and so if there's a hormonal imbalance, and that's rarely the issue, a hormonal imbalance is likely the result of too little testosterone. Simply go to your doctor. You can have your testosterone tested, and if it is low, they can provide supplementation, or you can wait to our next series of videos for which we will talk about low testosterone. But back to the causes of ED: hypertension, obesity, diabetes, smoking, and other environmental factors. The reason why this is important is because as it relates to diabetes, high blood pressure, smoking, and obesity, the main issue is what we call endothelial damage. And that's basically the inner lining of your vessels is dysfunctional, because that inner lining, the endothelial layer, this is going to be as technical as I get, that endothelial layer, it produces nitrous oxide. That nitrous oxide causes vasodilation. In other words, it causes your blood vessels to dilate so that blood can flow to the penis. Boom. So when there's a disruption, when there's a disruption in endothelial damage, people are likely to experience erectile dysfunction. And as we talked about, diabetes causes endothelial damage, high blood pressure, obesity, as well as smoking. This can be proven by the fact that for 30% of patients who experience ED, the typical Viagra's and Cialis, they don't work because there's endothelial damage. Here's the beauty. There are ways to improve your endothelial damage. Next video. So we will be discussing the top foods that can lead to erectile dysfunction. Again, the top foods that can lead to erectile dysfunction.